How to install ConnectNetwork by GTL. So just tap get and then you can install it with Touch ID or Face ID. So this is one of the top apps for quick access to popular services, and then you can just make deposits, send messages, photos, and videos to your loved ones. Like in this occasion, these are like inmate people who, for example, are in jail. And then our features are based on the facility. To find out which features are available to your inmate, please add them to your account. And then, you can just see all the features available and messaging. There are some deposits, and there are a bunch of apps in this category. Some of them work, some of them don't. This app seems it's in the top charts, but it has quite a low rating. So you just need to figure out yourself if it's working or not in any occasion, and then you can just create an account. Here's what you will need: your first, last name, address, city, state, country. I guess it only works like in US. Phone number, and then just your password, and that's basically it. And then you can just try to set it up. However, as we see, the ratings are not that good. Trust fund, app errors, no technical support, slow, not terrible app for new users. So maybe it's not the best app in this category, but it's just dependent on the facility which apps work and which don't. So try that out.